Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to check your printed document history on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in printers, best match, should come back with printers and scanners. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, you want to select the printer that you're looking to save or access the history of, and go ahead and select it. And then select Printer Properties on the right panel here. Select the Advanced tab, and where it says Keep Printed Documents near the bottom, make sure that is checkmarked, and then you would select Apply and OK to save that. Next thing you want to do is open up the search menu, type in Event Viewer. Best match should come back with Event Viewer. Go ahead and open that up. You want to double click on the Applications and Services logs on the left side here. It may take a moment to load, so just be patient. And then once you've done that, you want to do the same thing for the Microsoft folder. And then there should be a Windows folder in here. Double click on that. And then finally, you want to locate the Print Service folder. So you can either scroll down for it, or you can just click on a random folder in here and just start typing it in. So again, Print Service. And then on the right side, there should be something that says Operational. Go ahead and right click on it and select Properties. And in here, you want to select where it says Enable Logging. So go ahead and check mark that. And now Windows will automatically save the printer history for all of your installed printers to a log file that you can access within the event viewer itself. And then you would select Apply and OK. And now underneath Operational, if you double clicked on it, from here on out, it should give you a list of all the printed tasks as well as the failed ones. They should be listed out up here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.